In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a document on Lucidchart. Lucidchart is a fantastic tool for creating diagrams and flowcharts. Understanding how to publish your work is crucial as it helps you share your diagrams with ease or integrate them seamlessly into presentations and reports. Let's dive in and learn how to publish your document in a few simple steps. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Lucid website. Once you're there, look for the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage, and click on it. If you aren't logged in, you'll need to do so now. Lucidchart offers several sign-in options. Here we'll choose Sign Up with Google for a swift and secure login. Make sure you're using the Google account that's associated with your Lucidchart account for a smooth experience. Once you've logged in successfully, you're going to click on Open to access your existing documents. If you've just finished creating a new chart or need to locate a past project, everything you've worked on recently should be visible here. Select the document you wish to publish by simply clicking on it. With your document now open, locate the File option from the menu. Clicking on File paves the way to more options. Amongst these, you'll find Publish. Go ahead and click on Publish. This step is crucial as it enables you to prepare your document for sharing and saves it in a format that's suitable for a wider audience. Next, a dialog box will appear, asking you to select the file type for your publication. This is important as different audiences may require varying formats. Simply click on the drop-down menu to view the available file types. We recommend selecting the single-page PDF/image option. This format is versatile, ensuring that your diagram remains visually intact and can be downloaded easily by you or anyone you share it with. Once you've selected the file type, proceed by clicking on Publish Page. As soon as you do this, a link will be generated for your published document. The beauty of Lucidchart is that it automatically copies this link to your clipboard, ready for you to share it with colleagues or incorporate it into any place you need. And that's it. You've successfully published your Lucidchart document. Remember, having your work as a link is incredibly convenient, allowing for expedient distribution and flexible access. Don't forget, practice these steps a couple of times to get accustomed. Thank you for following along and happy charting on Lucidchart.